What's this fellow doing? Based on the nose, I'm pretty sure that's Usopp.
Statue is of a dashing-looking Englishman holding his pug, and he's giving a superior stare to the Notre Dame Basilica, symbol of the religious influence of French Canadians. I think that's like, you know, making fun of posh British people. I know a few of them.
Ouch.
Look at this distinguished statue. Look at this distinguished statue. There's a posh-looking British lady with her poodle turning up her nose at
Usopp's sister, maybe?
maybe.
Similar story to the other statue?
Very similar story. A little bit of a... Totally fine.
I was gonna miss all the dings. I didn't miss all the dongs.
My jam. This is one of the oldest parts of Montreal.
Looks pretty cool.
I came here in 2007, and the hostel I stayed at is just on that corner over there.
Oh.
So every morning I'd come out here and sit on the benches.
Oh.
That was a long time ago.
Looks like a nice place to start your day.
Yeah. I like how your jacket matches the leaves.
Oh.
Maybe this is a good place to wrap.
Yeah, you can do that.
So that's where I stayed last time I was here. Right on that corner.
Oh yeah.
In a hostel. I wonder if it's still a hostel. That's interesting, eh?
Yeah.
Don't know what it is.
It looks old. Is that just what bricks look like? Do bricks just look old?
Is this the Dewville Mansion? No, that is.
Either.
Yeah, it looks like old city walls.
There's a plaque with some info.
Yeah. Looks like it used to be the ruins of a church or something.
The Grey
Oh, yeah.
Nuns of Montreal.
Oh yeah, I read about this.
What did you read?
The first hospital here or something was founded by a nun who was married to a guy that like ran alcohol during Prohibition or smuggled alcohol. So she was around like the people that were addicts, and when he passed away, she became a nun and opened a hospital to help those people.
It's pretty neat. Hello.
here, it's nice to look familiar if you've ever been to Paris, because the metro sign is on, I guess, permanent loan from the Paris Metro. Looks just like all the metro signs you would see in and around Paris, France. Pretty cool. You ready? Face up.
Oh yeah.